What does something like a natural disaster, how does that play a part in cybersecurity risk?
Two things. One, it's a huge resilience test because the same kind of bounce back that you're going to do from ransomware is the same kind of bounce back you'll do in a disaster situation. As far as your electronic infrastructure, with disasters, obviously there's a human safety aspect that is added to it. But as far as the technology, restoring you to the cloud, things like that, it's the same thing. One of the problems with any kind of disaster, whether it's a cyber recovery or a natural disaster, is that in that recovery process, a lot of times the backups aren't being taken. A lot of times there aren't the security controls in place because people are in a rush to get back to work, or people are in a rush just to provide basic services to people that are in need after a disaster. So a lot of times there's not that kind of layer of security in place because people haven't planned ahead to the point that they're considering, when I stand up a temporary network at an office 15 miles down the road, what am I going to have to consider as far as security there? So that risk is definitely there.